Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I wanted to answer a question in this video that I've gotten asked a surprising number of times. It's in relation to this camera, my Ricoh GR III. I've had this for several months now, and again and again and again in the comment sections, I've had people ask me one particular question, and I want to address that in this video. I'll throw some images up on the screen to make it a little bit more interesting rather than you having to stare at my face. The question that I keep getting asked is, what about dust on the sensor? So if you've been around the Ricoh GR III world, you'll know that there is a rumor, there are a lot of reports, a lot of people out there suggesting that the Ricoh GR III has a problem with getting dust on the sensor. And that makes sense because the lens extends and then retracts into the body, and you do that enough times, you might have a problem. And there's been a lot of, I think, reputable reports that people have experienced this problem. So what about me? After thousands of images, especially after telling people that I just carry this camera around in my pocket and I just shove it in there, and that's how I walk around all day, all through town with lint and dust in my pocket, people have asked me, what about the dust problem? And here is my experience, and this is just one case study, right? Just a single person. I'm not trying to discredit anybody who says that they have a dust problem, but after the thousands of images that I've taken, and having not been particularly careful with my camera, I don't have any dust on the sensor that is noticeable in the images. And this would be my advice to you if you're somebody who's thinking about buying the Ricoh GR III, but you're holding off because there's this rumor about dust. I would say I wouldn't worry about it too much. Maybe be a little more careful with your camera than I have been. It's possible that you might get one that is susceptible to it, but I just wouldn't allow that to turn me off from the camera. The reality is just about every camera is going to be susceptible in some way to getting some dust on the sensor. It's a rare camera that is going to be able to offer you a complete impenetrability to dust. And so, again, I wouldn't let it worry you. I would absolutely recommend this camera to you if you're considering it and you're on the edge because of that problem. Now, I would encourage you to turn on the sensor dust remover feature on this camera. You can do it when the camera powers on and when the camera powers off, and I've always had that on. So every time I turn the camera on and off, the sensor is cleaned in whatever way Ricoh has built into the body. So maybe that's saving me from dust. I don't know, but turn it on and maybe it'll help a little bit. So again, if you're thinking about buying it, I would encourage you to go for it. But anyway, that's been my experience. Let me know down below if your experience has been the same, different, or you got something else to say. All right, talk to you later. I think I should have some more Ricoh recipes, new film simulations coming out in the next couple days. I've been traveling a lot lately, so I haven't gotten a whole lot done for this channel, but more to come. All right, talk to you guys later. Bye.